camera footage. It's gonna be just a lot of.
What up, dog?
Where there's supposed to be a lot of really pretty wildflowers on top.
Nice, nice shades.
Check out the view behind you too.
Say there, man.
Washington right now.
Alright, let's
On
go.
the other side of the gorge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
No way. I'm taking them. Good find. On a scale of 1 to 10, how hard is the incline?
It's pretty hard. I mean, it's not like a full, like, that's like that consistently, like, roped all the way up.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
You said it was like a Stairmaster, you're right. Really? It's so pretty. Look at the spots on it.
Oh yeah.
Looks like a cheetah.
Do you want to give an update to the viewers?
We got to the lookout point,
Uh,
which is, oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
are we gonna go all the way up or no?
No, it's like another hour.
Did it kick your butt?
Yes.
Well, we can do it next time, right?
Yeah. This is gorgeous.
Nice one made it up here. And that's the end of the video. Any last words before we leave?
This was really fun. And you should do it. Support your national parks.